Exploring the best food in the United States, a culinary adventure for health and flavor. Welcome to Salimat's Holistic Health Channel. Today we embark on a delicious journey to explore the best food across the United States. Our culinary adventure will unveil not only the mouth-watering dishes that define various regions, but also the health benefits and holistic practices that accompany them. Join us as we delve into a world of flavors where health and taste beautifully intertwine. When we include every ingredient, or we get a product pure harvest. The South is known for its rich, comforting dishes that are both satisfying and healthy when prepared mindfully. Fried chicken, a classic Southern staple, often enjoyed during family gatherings. For a healthier twist, we can air fry or bake it to reduce oil usage while maintaining that beloved crispy texture. Collard greens, a nutrient powerhouse, rich in vitamins K, A, and C, and packed with fiber. These leafy greens can be sautéed with garlic and olive oil for a delightful side dish. The flavorful Southwest, spice and health unite. Exploring the Southwest, we encounter vibrant dishes spiced to perfection, emphasizing both flavor and health. Tacos. These can be easily personalized with healthy ingredients like grilled chicken or fish, topped with fresh salsa and wrapped in corn tortillas. Chili. A hearty dish that can be made nutritious with lean meats or plant-based proteins like beans and lentils, complemented with a variety of spices for flavor. The freshness of the Pacific Northwest. Moving to the Pacific Northwest, we find an emphasis on fresh, seasonal ingredients that promote health and vitality. Grilled salmon. Known for omega-3 fatty acids, this dish can be served with a side of seasonal vegetables, making it not only delicious, but also highly nutritious. Berry desserts. Berries like blueberries and raspberries are rich in antioxidants and can be transformed into healthy desserts, such as a berry compote or yogurt parfait. The hearty fare of the Midwest. The Midwest is celebrated for its hearty meals that can also be health-conscious. Chicago deep dish pizza. This iconic dish can be made healthier, with whole-grain crust and loaded with vegetables, showing that comfort food can be nourishing. Corn and bean dishes, these traditional meals are not only filling, but also full of protein and fiber. Consider options like succotash, or a fresh corn salad. The culinary innovation of California. California is at the forefront of culinary innovation, bringing a focus on organic and local ingredients. Farm to table. This movement encourages sourcing food locally, which enhances flavor while supporting community health. Superfood bowls. Often a staple in California, these bowls can include a base of grains topped with fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and nutritious drizzles like tahini, making them a balanced meal. Throughout our culinary adventure across the United States, we've discovered how diverse and health-conscious the American food landscape can be. From comforting Southern dishes to innovative California meals, each region presents a unique opportunity to enjoy food that is both delicious and nourishing. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey, and be sure to subscribe to Salimat's Holistic Health for more delicious and mindful culinary explorations.